20-yard shot. What? Damn, I was off. That's more like it. Oh, last time I was at this hole, or this hole, it's not golf. Last time I was at this target, there was a quail up in the tree. Man, I couldn't resist. I had to take the shot. Let's see, they got a target right here. Marker 48. Oh, they want me to shoot straight across the desert. Alrighty then. Yeah, I missed. Cool thing about it, at least target's big enough, you know. You're gonna hit something. I got a place where you can hang your bow, get your arrows out. But they're pretty easy getting the arrows out of these targets. Every now and then, sometimes they stick, but not bad. Normally, you can just pull them out with one hand. You gotta love that. But yeah, see how they do this? The next target's right there, and you walk up and around. So like if somebody else was shooting, they'd be over here, bam, and you're in the safe zone. It's cool. And if there was somebody in front of me, they'd be shooting the target as I'm walking to the range where you have to shoot at. So it's pretty cool. They kept safety in mind when they made this course. But I usually come out here by myself. Got a couple of my hunting buddies that I need to bring out here. We can dial in. Alright, what do we got? People dumping trash. 35 yards. 39. What? 36. A little high. I jerked my arm in. That was stupid. Yeah, I was right here. That dove was in a tree up there. I had to take the shot, man. I couldn't take it. And this goddamn rabbit that I see running around here. I do have my hunting license, and it is rabbit and dove season, but then again, this is a archery range. I don't think they like you out here hunting. Even though I am the only one out here. And that's the cool thing about it, because there can be like 4 or 5 people at the main range targets, and this isn't the only, the 28 hole. They have another animal hole, and then 2 more animal holes up on the hill that you walk up on. So there's a lot of open space where it doesn't get crowded. You gotta love that. And I don't have to set targets up. Good to go. But every now and then I get bored and I got a little deer that I shoot in the backyard, or we take camping or hunting and we shoot at. That's a blast. And then I have a 150-pound crossbow that I think I'm going to bring with me next time. Probably come out here Tuesday. Tomorrow I'll try to get up a little earlier so I can have more time out here, because they closed at 3 today and I didn't get here until like 12 o'clock, so that kind of sucks. Alright, got a 60-yard shot. Yep. 60 yards. Damn, I know I dialed that pin in. Oh, get it. See, I'm going to take a shot from the youth mark. The youth mark is set at 45. Ooh, nailed it. Whew, yeah, it's a little hot today. Nice breeze though. Keeps it a little bit cool. Definitely got to bring water. Bring a little bit of food with you. Maybe someone else to come out with you would be nice too. But it is what it is. So that's all for now, you guys. Done recording.